Hi, and welcome to SBAM's Eye on Lansing. My name is Mike Marzano, Director of Government Relations for the Small Business Association of Michigan. It's been a busy week in Lansing. The legislators are back from their hunting break and Thanksgiving holidays, and they hit the ground running. We have an update on the Health Insurance Claims Assessment, otherwise known as HICA. That has passed through the House Appropriations Committee this week. What has been done is the sunset has been extended. Originally, HICA was supposed to end in December of 2017, and the Appropriations Committee has decided that they wanted to extend that sunset to 2025. It moves to the full House later on, so we'll be keeping track of that. Just so everybody knows, SBAM is opposed to this legislation. Also, what we have this week, there is a new data center that's looking to make its home in Michigan. The company is called Switch, and it'd be looking to make a $5 billion investment in Michigan in Kent County. And what the legislature is doing, the Senate has taken up testimony and voted on the bill this week. What it would do is extend a 6% tax break to all data centers that are in Michigan for any kind of property or equipment that they might have. And so we'll be keeping track of that to see what happens in the House. We have some news on the energy bills that we're looking forward to right now. Energy legislation has been talked about for a while now, and we are seeing some movement. We looked for the energy bill package that has been talked about to be going through the House this week, or next week, excuse me, and then possibly the Senate will be taking it up at some point next year. I'm sure they'll have some adjustments for that. So we'll be keeping track of that and keeping everybody informed. I hope everybody has a great weekend, and thank you for joining us. Don't forget to follow SBAM on Twitter @SBAM and also on Facebook for the Small Business Association of Michigan. Thank you very much. I hope everybody has a great weekend.